Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Easy Guides, and today we are going to talk about how you can return any product on Shein app and get a refund. So at first, let's open the application, and after that you can order anything from here, and after doing your order you can go to this Me section. You can see all your orders here. It is the unpaid, processing, shipped, review and returns. So you can go to processing orders and the items you have ordered will be shown here. After that, you can cancel the product from there and apply it for return. After doing it, you will get a confirmation email, and then the return products will be shown here, and the amount will be added to your Shein account or it will be transferred directly to your bank. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.